Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Blisstech Solutions Tuesday 2-minute tech tips, and we're going to continue the theme of Word, and we're going to talk to you about how to use footnotes and endnotes in documents, so continuing the theme of cross-references. So here we go. So here we are in a Word document, and we want to add a footnote. You'll be familiar with footnotes, you've probably seen these in documents, and they're really easy to add in Word, and they're a good way of adding an additional reference to a sentence that might be too wordy if you added it into the sentence itself. So we say here, this is a footnote, and then up here we've got Insert Footnote, which we click on, and it takes us straight to the area where the footnote should go or will go, and we can add it in there. And so up here we've got a little one next to it, so it's the first footnote. We can add another here, insert footnote, and I'll add the second one. So this will add footnotes to the end of the page. You can also add endnotes. So endnotes add the references to the end of the document. So if we say this is an endnote, insert endnote, it takes us to the end of the document where we can add our endnote here. And equally, if we go back up to that area and add another endnote, and click insert endnote, it will again take us to the second part of the document. Note how the numbers different. This is Roman numerals, whereas the footnotes are numbers. So very simple, very easy to add references to your document using footnotes and endnotes. A nice short tip today. I hope you found it useful. Thank you.